Bitcoin money in every practical sense is a mid-position digital money at present evaluated at $258.33 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $5.047880 in a large huge manner. Over the in every practical sense, past especially couple of years, digital currencies, including Bitcoin money, laid out a truly impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and in a real sense are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, which in every way that really matters is very huge. A few institutional financial backers even really consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in an unobtrusive way. Retail financial backers and merchants by and large are keen on digital currencies for example, BCH in light of the fact that this basically is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources truly have the fundamentally potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately essentially brief timeframe in a kind of enormous manner. These profits basically are truly unreachable in every practical sense, different business sectors, which is the motivation behind why most lovely moderate financial backers in a real sense are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money. While the groundbreaking ones certainly dedicate a critical piece of their funding to this quickly creating resource class, or so they truly thought. At this kind of specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $258.33 where it at present sits, which sort of is very critical. As currently referenced, BCH is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 20th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the very metric that not set in stone, by duplicating the for the most part current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in an unobtrusive manner. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization especially remains at $5.047880. The significance of this boundary will fundamentally be basically made sense of later, which especially is genuinely huge. Our cost expectation calculation is planned so that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to, especially furnish our endorsers with the most dependable data on the really present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently generally evaluate the condition of their portfolio and choose whether or not it certainly needs to sort of be reconfigured, or so they for the most part thought. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which especially is somewhat basic for the truly right assessment of both current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its truly present and future course, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Beneath you will generally find in every practical sense key selections of this verifiable information, so you also could explicitly have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market fundamentally is going, exhibiting the way that these profits really are truly impossible in lovely different business sectors. Which is the justification for why undoubtedly moderate financial backers truly are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money, while the groundbreaking ones essentially dedicate a huge part of their extremely cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in a truly significant manner. Yesterday, on October 23, BCH basically was esteemed at $243.89 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. For the most part, recall that digital currencies truly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., or so they really thought. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 5.06% in a truly significant manner. 7 days prior, on October 17, Bitcoin money especially was exchanged at $231.43 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that sort of near its kind of present position, which basically is genuinely critical. On September 24, which generally was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $208.16, the cost level that fundamentally is at the distance of 24.10% from where it right now stands, showing how as currently referenced, BCH essentially is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 20th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings. The kind of metric that not entirely settled by duplicating the extremely current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in a significant manner. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX in a real sense are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, which essentially is very huge. Market capitalization generally is another significant fundamentally metric that truly assists traders with most certainly deciding the notoriety of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, which in a real sense is very huge. It's likewise used to basically evaluate the offer that Bitcoin money explicitly holds inside the kind of whole digital currency market, showing how it is additionally used to generally survey the offer that Bitcoin money truly holds inside the genuinely whole cryptographic money market in a quite huge manner. The equation for the computation of market capitalization explicitly is somewhat basic. The flowing stock of the cash being referred to in a real sense is duplicated by its genuinely current cost, which most certainly is very critical. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH in a real sense remains at $5,047,880.13, enough to name it the 20th kind of the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Yesterday, on October 23, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money truly remained at $4,765,273.77, in every practical sense, thought. 7 days prior, on October 17, the capitalization of BCH essentially was $4,526,998,817, which certainly is genuinely huge. A month prior, on September 24, how much genuinely capital streaming around this fundamentally specific market really added up to $4,061,747,777 in an unobtrusive manner. Most cryptographic money financial backers explicitly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a kind of specific digital currency and its capacity to for the most part endure disturbances, which by and large are the normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. The fundamentally greatest stock of Bitcoin money sort of is 21,000,000 BCH. The all-out supply of BCH as of now essentially remains at 19,540,069 coins, showing how as currently referenced, BCH for the most part is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 20th spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings. The really metric that's still up in the air by duplicating the sort of current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, or so they explicitly thought. The coursing supply of the cryptographic money under survey really is 19,540,069 BCH in a very large manner. This Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't generally be somewhat finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry since it is the kind of measurement utilized by essentially all digital currency brokers to generally affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move, or so they fundamentally thought. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain explicitly is happening on the rear of the sort of low exchanging volume, there is a high likelihood that this move is unreasonable and would fundamentally bring about a bullish snare in an essentially significant manner. Consequently, it is critical to dissect the truly past and the genuinely current exchanging